Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome back to our series on the Dyson SV22 motor replacement. In this second part, we will delve deeper into the process, ensuring that you have all the necessary information to complete the job effectively. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, typically size number 2, will work well. 2. A flathead screwdriver, useful for prying components apart. 3. A torque wrench, to ensure screws are tightened to the correct specifications. 4. A multimeter, for checking electrical connections. 5. A soft brush, perfect for cleaning debris from the motor housing. To begin, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged. Remove the battery pack by locating the release button and gently pulling it out. This step is crucial for safety. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are usually 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Set them aside safely. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to help pry it loose, but be careful not to damage any plastic clips. After removing the cover, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Using your soft brush, carefully clean the area around the motor. This will help improve efficiency and prevent future issues. Now, locate the screws holding the motor in place. Typically, there will be 2 to 4 screws. Remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find any resistance, double-check that there are no hidden screws or clips. Once the screws are out, you can gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. If you're unsure about the wiring, take a photo for reference, or consult the service manual. If you prefer, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you through this process. Next, prepare the new motor for installation. Before placing it in, check the electrical connections on the new motor. If you don't have the tools to test these connections, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process more convenient for you. Carefully align the new motor into the housing, ensuring that it fits snugly. Replace the screws you previously removed, securing the motor in place with your torque wrench to avoid any future vibrations. Remember, the correct torque is important for optimal performance. Now, let's reattach the motor cover. Align it properly and press it down firmly. Replace the screws, tightening them gently but securely. Once everything is back in place, reinstall the battery pack. Make sure it clicks into place securely. At this stage, it's a good idea to test the vacuum before sealing it up completely. If you encounter any issues, our quote before repair service can provide you with peace of mind. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough cleaning again, ensuring that all components are free from debris. A clean vacuum operates more efficiently and lasts longer. With that, you have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV22. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the next part of our series. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.